Hey guys, we're in the vintage farm. Today we're going to be doing a little walk outside, looking around, seeing, being one with nature. I love nature. We're going to walk this way. That's a big bee. Oh goodness. That's a big bee. There's like 50 big bees over here. Come on, follow me. I'll show you. I want to walk you around. Just have some nice weather sounds. We're gonna go look at the flowers. I love the flowers. It smells good. Let's go look at the tulips. Wow. There's some pretty big tulips. This is my house right here. We're gonna go over here. This is my nice little home. And this is where we are, our house. It's a really short tour, but I hope you all enjoyed it.